Hi, I'm Alexi. In this video, I'm going to show you how I solve the Rubik's Cube. To solve for the first layer, you want to create what I call a daisy flower. Look for this yellow piece in the center, and like a daisy, you create what looks like a daisy. Now sometimes you may get white pieces on these corners. It doesn't matter. You want to make sure you at least have this daisy pattern, and place it on that daisy pattern on the top, and then match these the white petal color. Make sure the center matches. So this should be orange. So white, orange, orange, and then rotate with the daisy still on top. Rotate this face 180 degrees, so it's sort of pointing up. Rotate 180 degrees, basically pointing down. Do the same for each side. So white petal, blue, already matching blue. So need to rotate it down. Green, white, green. Rotate to green. Rotate down. Final one, red. Red, red. Rotate it down. Now after we've done all four sides, you should see a white cross on the bottom. Next, what you want to do is you want to point the white cross up, back on top, and then look on the third row, see if there are any white squares like this, and then you want to match them with the same colors. So that even though this is white, the side is orange, bottom is green. You have orange here, but not green. So you just rotate it until you have matching. So white, orange, orange, green, green. Next, you want to so this white square will be replacing this square. Do that, rotate away, bring this piece down, rotate it back, and rotate the piece back up. There. Now you have this white piece. Green, green, but red, not red. So rotate it a little bit. Red, red, green, green. So, and it looks like it will be replacing this. So you want to rotate away, down, back, and up. Next piece, and there. Where's one here? This piece is blue, blue, orange, orange. That's okay. And it looks like it will be replacing this. So you rotate away, down, back, and up. Last piece is there. Now if you don't have it, now the white piece does have to be on the third layer. So to do that, you just rotate it down, rotate, up. Now it's on the bottom. So you do as before, red, red, blue, blue. Okay. As you can see, this will replace this white. So you want to rotate away, down, back, and up. And when you solve for the first layer, you'll also create this white face. So the white face, the first layer for the Rubik's Cube is complete. That's step one.